Alright, now we're in Aurora, Nebraska, checking out another monorail at Bubbles Car Wash. This one looks like another old one. Oh, actually it looks like the same kind as all the Super Wash locations. I was hoping at these non-Super Wash locations, so this one's more expensive, I thought it'd be less, that they have the more obscure ones, but seems not the case. Well,
welcome. To purchase, make a selection, then enter the amount shown.
Let me see. Yes, I can use a 20 at this one. Yeah, so it's got the classic monorail. So yeah.
Ultimate Wash. Review your selections and press pay now.
This one does have dryers too, which is uncommon for a monorail. Well, obviously added on, of course. I'm gonna get a bunch of quarters back. The coin, yeah, the coin and cash insert things are like, it's like a little plastic cover on them, which is kind of interesting. Called it.
For a receipt, press print.
No,
Or
thank
pull
you.
into the wash bay.
Oh. Watch is telling me to go, but okay, I got all my quarters. Don't want to leave any of them behind. Alright, this one's also got tall guardrails. It's got the old traffic light signage. Yeah, this is just like regular old Super Wash. But not at a Super Wash. Oh, the priest looks a little iffy. I was hoping this one would be cheaper, but no. Definitely need to get some more monorail content. Yeah, that could be better. And then, whoa! Nice retrofit. I always like it when, you know, car washes upkeep their old machines like this one and try to improve it. from the pre-soak, this thing looks like it's in pretty good shape. These things are always generous on the high pressure. I was hoping that spot free sign would come on. The old ones that we used to have at home didn't have spot free light. Just like a polished and a super stripe helmet. Light. You're gonna prop the window. It's gonna hear the dryers. Maybe it'll go once I let off the treadle. Yep. Blow water into my car now. 50 seconds. It's kind of nice that they added on some dryers to this. Kind of wish they do that on more monorails. Doing respectable. Once again, it seems like the chemicals these old things use must be really good because it got pretty much all the bugs off of the windshield. Even though these machines do have a little bit of a weaker high pressure. So yeah. Pre-soak was a little but the wash still seemed pretty good. But yeah, 1 automatic, 3 manuals, nice little car wash. But yeah. The next car wash should be something pretty special, so stay tuned. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.